Applying resilience in daily life is essential for navigating the challenges that arise in various contexts, such as the workplace, personal relationships, and during significant life transitions. Workplace resilience involves managing work-related stress and cultivating a career that can withstand pressures and setbacks. This resilience is built through the development of effective coping strategies, such as time management, setting realistic goals, and seeking support from colleagues or mentors. By fostering a positive work environment and maintaining a healthy work-life balance, individuals can reduce stress levels and enhance their ability to adapt to changes. Additionally, practicing mindfulness and self-care can help professionals remain focused and grounded, even in demanding situations. This approach not only benefits the individual but also contributes to a more productive and harmonious workplace. In the realm of personal relationships, resilience plays a crucial role in maintaining healthy connections with others. Navigating the ups and downs of relationships requires effective communication, empathy, and the ability to manage conflict constructively. Building resilience in relationships involves being open to discussing feelings and needs while also being receptive to the perspectives of others. This mutual understanding fosters trust and strengthens bonds, allowing individuals to work through challenges together. Moreover, it is important to recognize when relationships may become toxic or detrimental to one's well-being. Resilience allows individuals to set boundaries and seek support when necessary, ultimately contributing to healthier and more fulfilling interpersonal connections. Life transitions, whether anticipated or unexpected, can often be challenging, but resilience enables individuals to navigate these changes with greater ease. Major life changes such as moving to a new city, starting a new job, experiencing the loss of a loved one, or entering a new phase of life can evoke a range of emotions and uncertainties. By applying resilience, individuals can approach these transitions with a positive mindset, viewing them as opportunities for growth and new experiences. This involves being adaptable, remaining open to change, and recognizing that setbacks are a natural part of the process. Embracing change with resilience not only helps individuals cope with immediate challenges but also equips them with the skills needed to face future transitions with confidence. Ultimately, resilience serves as a vital resource, empowering individuals to thrive amidst the complexities of daily life, whether in their careers, relationships, or personal journeys.